Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Quality Inn Batesville. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. The Quality Inn Batesville is centrally located near many area attractions and local businesses, making it a great place to stay during your visit to this charming southern town. The Factory Stores at Batesville shopping center, featuring dozens of retailers and specialty stores, is within walking distance to this Mississippi hotel. All guest rooms at this Batesville hotel are furnished with coffee makers with free coffee, curved shower rods, hair dryers, microwaves and refrigerators. Some rooms feature additional amenities like whirlpool bathtubs and spacious work desks. As a guest of this hotel near the Factory Stores at Batesville, you can enjoy amenities and features like free deluxe continental breakfast, free high-speed internet access, indoor pool, exercise room. This Mississippi hotel provides corporate travelers with additional conveniences like a business center, copy and fax service, a computer with internet access and a meeting room. On-site parking is provided and can accommodate most cars, trucks, buses and RVs. Additional points of interest close to this Batesville, MS Hotel include the University of Mississippi, Sardis Lake and Enid Lake. Numerous jogging trails, golf courses, parks and outdoor recreation spots are located in the surrounding area. Restaurants like Cracker Barrel and Captain D's are in the vicinity of this Batesville, MS Hotel. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.